now we can hear that we've got some sort of an issue there and we're tapping around. Yeah, so we think it's probably the core, two carbon skins core in the middle. When they separate, you can move. So essentially, yeah, the inside and the outside skin aren't working together, so our sandwich that holds the boat together is failing in that area. So yeah, right now we're slowed down, we've got to have a check it out, and we need to talk to some people. But it's certainly not good at this stage to continue at 100%.
Very frustrated. Come to do a yacht race, not a boat building competition, and we're already 1,500 miles behind, and this is not happening at course. So this is not the place you want to be by yourself in the middle of the Southern Ocean. We're a long way from help.
The tortoise in the hare, my friend. We're definitely the tortoise right now.
Hove 2 on our side in the Southern Ocean, we're just in over the side, drilling about 30 holes in the bottom of our boat. So I've done, in fact I don't think I've ever done any stranger thing in my whole life, not on a boat anyway.
How many bolts has he got out there at the moment?
He's only got
Not too bad though. Pretty good, it's pretty steady right there.
Okay, tell him we're going to 100 miles below that one.
Okay.
100 miles below.
Okay, 100 mils over. 2 more bolts. There's 2 more to come to you.
Have you got them up there again? Or?
Well, looks alright. I think we've two skins tied together and we've got some pretty nice backing behind here. And, we've got to get some struts in here to try and tie it in a bit better so it can't flex. But I think we're in a lot better shape than what we were 2 hours ago.
That's done a good job, and yeah, I guess the proof will be when we start going faster, see how it reacts. But yeah, nice work. Do we need this resin box at all?